Hello, friends. Let's speak about clothes. Say with me. Jeans, trousers, shorts, t-shirt, socks, sweater, skirt, shoes, jacket, cap. Do you like my sweater? Yes, I do. Do you like my shoes? No, I don't. Do you like my t-shirt and my skirt? Yes, I do. Do you like my shorts? Yes, I do. Do you like my trousers? No, I don't. Well done. Thank you. Let's play now. Socks. Where are the socks? Yeah. Jeans. Where are jeans? Great. T-shirt. What is t-shirt? Well done. Sweater. Where is sweater? Is this a sweater? No. This is a sweater. Trousers. Great. Shoes. Where are shoes? Well done. Cap. Is this a cap? Yeah, cap. Jacket. Well done. Shorts. This or this? Yeah, shorts. Skirt. Great.